Hey guys, welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name is April. I'm a skincare and cosmetic chemist. I talk about all things skincare, back end, front end of all things skincare. So if you're interested in that, definitely hit that like button for me down below. Subscribe to the channel because we're here every week, every single week, talking about skincare. Okay guys, it's the summertime, and in today's video, as you can tell from the title, I'll be recommending perfect, amazing moisturizers for oily skin, because I know this is the time where your skin really gets oily. In the winter time it gets really dry, but in the summertime it's oily, honey. And if you're like me and you skew more towards the oily side, honey, it's gonna be oily. The skin will be looking like a baby's butt, okay, or a basted turkey, and we don't want that because we want to stay hot and fly this summer, and we want to look glowy but not oily. There's a difference, okay? Glowy is when you radiate like healthy, like you could tell there's a glow from the inside, but oily, honey, we don't want that, okay? It's just not that girl look. TikTok is influencing the way I talk. Okay, so without further ado, we're just going to jump into the video. And when it comes to oily skin though, I want to say that it's important to make sure that the product you're using is water-based. So a lot of moisturizers are oil-based. There's a lot more oil than there is water-based ingredients in the formula. So when it comes to oily skin, especially in the summertime, I prefer to use a product that has less oil and more water. And just products that are really light, that don't go in heavy. And you guys can tell because this is going to be a series. It's going to be the oily skin series. I'm also going to have a dry skin series, and then I'm going to have a combination skin series. So I'm going to jump right in. The first product I recommend is this one by Beauty Stat. This brand is owned by a fellow chemist, which I really love. Lately, I've been skewing towards getting products that are owned by or just made by professionals, because I don't know, added layer of trust there where it's someone who knows what they're talking about, who knows what they're doing, and is putting just a lot of like thought process behind the products, or at least will only accept the best, right? So this is the Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream. It goes on really light. I've been literally reaching for this every day of my morning skincare routine. I'm so obsessed with this product. This one is packed with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and just a bunch of nutrient complexes in there that will really help to strengthen that skin barrier, while at the same time not making your skin feel tight. It literally drenches your skin without making your skin feel tight or greasy. I honestly think this product was formulated with black people in mind, because the owner is a black person, which I love, because you could tell that he really thought about generally the skin type of black people, because we tend to have more oilier skin, which is good because it keeps us young or whatever. But yeah, this is one that I reach for every single day. The price is a little bit up there, but it's, what, a good product is a good product, so I don't even mind it, and it's not that big, but hey, it's a great product. Also, it's fragrance free, and what else can you ask for? Next is this one by Saturday Skin. So I actually got sent this one in PR, and I've used this one a few times, but I haven't used this as much as I'd love to, because I've been using the one from Beauty Stat. Now this one I also love because it has a bunch of humectants, which are really hydrating ingredients, like propanediol. Glycerine is another amazing humectant that just draws in water into the skin. It has something called Iceland moss, which helps to calm redness if your skin is a little irritated. Now if you have a silicone sensitivity, which a lot of people don't, but I just thought I should say that because it does have a bunch of silicones, which is basically like an emollient to help seal in the moisture that the product is adding into your skin. But if you're not a fan of that, then maybe you might want to pass on this, but it's at $39, which I think is a great price if you're more on a budget. Okay, so next is one I've actually been loving, and actually collaborated with this brand on this product, and this is the Roche Posay Toleraine Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. It actually says it's for oily and combination skin, so they specifically made this for people with oily skin, which I love. It just tells me that they're looking out for people like us that are dealing with oily skin issues, especially at times like this. So it's a lightweight oil-free moisturizer, and it's also great for combination skin as well. So it's really ultra light. I really love the texture of it. It has niacinamide, which we love because it helps to control oil, helps with skin texture, helps to refine the pores in our skin. It also has oil absorbing powders like perlite and silica, which help to reduce the appearance of oil on the skin. It's also really non-greasy, and it feels really refreshing on the skin. And this one is definitely one that I definitely love. This one, I can't wait to wear it more when I run out of my Beauty Stat. Okay, another black owned brand. We love a black owned brand over here. This one is the Bolden Glow Hydrating Mask, and it just is really great. I love the color of it. I think it's really rich. I love that almost dark amber color. It's super hydrating. Now this one is more of a mask though, so this one you might want to combine with maybe the Beauty Stat, or even maybe another oily skin moisturizer, because this one does need to be washed away from your skin, but it definitely provides enough hydration where you almost don't even need a moisturizer afterwards. But I would definitely recommend using it with another product to add on, but definitely obsessed with this one. It also has sodium hyaluronate and glycerin, which is like moisture packs, you know, like I said, and centella acacia, which is a popular ingredient in K-beauty skincare. It's an ingredient that helps with redness in the skin. And at $19, honestly, come on, if you're in a budget, if you're in college, girl, you better get your hands on this Black-owned brand. Oh, and they're Nigerian, so win-win. Okay, finally is this one. It's a K-beauty. Cannot leave out my K-beauty people. Y'all know I love my K-beauty skincare. So this one is by Propolis. It's the Propolis Glow Barrier Calming Cream. And this one is just everything when it comes to helping fix your skin barrier. So if you're trying to strengthen your skin barrier, I have a video where I talked about how to strengthen skin barrier up here, which I made I think last year, but you should probably check it out. But this one will not only hydrate your skin and leave you non-greasy, but also repair that skin barrier, honey. So it has ingredients like propanthenyl and manuka honey, but will not give you like sticky skin. It still gives you like honey looking glowy skin, but not sticky. It also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects. So this is definitely one that I have been reaching for a lot more these days. So, but yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed all of these options. You should definitely check them out. And if you have a cream that you've been enjoying, definitely comment below which moisturizer you're loving this summer. I would definitely love to also like check out what you guys are trying on. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Join the family. You're gonna be seeing me a lot more, okay? I'm not even gonna get into why I take all these breaks, but you guys, and then you forgive me and you know that I'm here for you guys. But yeah, more to come. Expect dry skin videos, combination skin videos, sensitive skin videos. It's all coming for you guys, all right? I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Go with the brother who you know how we do. It's not for me to say.